the new Hong Kong, live it, love it. Regional Director.
And being here tonight, and I'm very honored for all of us, including our colleague from Singapore, to be here tonight. Some of you may ask, am I coming from Hong Kong? Actually, yes and no. At the time, she's also looking after the Indian market and all the logistics and also on the marketing side. Maybe please give a warm welcome to Linda. And future developments in Hong Kong. To sustain the recovery and to reinforce Hong Kong's long-term image as a diverse and exciting destination, we have planned our revival campaign around two distinct phases. Promotion successfully welcomed more than 1.48 million visitors in September, a positive growth of 7.9%. Provisional arrivals for October only have the first 20 days, registered about 1.07 million visitors, about 3.7% growth. Actually interesting to look at India's progress. Started in August, we can see a quite strong growth already of 1.1%, but as proven, it has been quite strong. Even up to date, in the first 20 days, we have registered about 8.7%. To emphasize Hong Kong hospitality, the first phase, Hong Kong Welcomes You promotion, was from 13th of July till 15th of September, just after WHO delisted Hong Kong. A lot of activities were undertaken during the first 2 months to show the world that Hong Kong was back to a vibrant best. And we overachieved our target of 2 million visitors arrivals during this 2 months period. Final arrival figures was 3.1 million. Two main tools employed towards this task. Firstly, a new global thematic advertising launched worldwide, including India from September. And firstly, to ensure that our recovery can be sustained by creating, come here tonight, but I can say on his behalf, he said exactly words, he said he wants to invite all of you to sense the energy and vitality, life to the fullest in Hong Kong, and fall in love with the city. A lot of energy and excitement went into the making.
Hong Kong, full of energy, so exciting. There's so many restaurants around you, international restaurants, and so many shopping malls. The service was wonderful. You always can discover the new things around you. And the culture and heritage make Hong Kong so unique. So this is why Hong Kong is waiting for you.
Hong Kong, live it, love it, is the theme line for our new global advertising campaign. Live it means we want to extend our warm invitations to all overseas visitors to come and experience Hong Kong to its fullest. Love it because we're so sure that everybody who has been to Hong Kong will fall in love with this place. In our new global advertising campaign, we want to showcase the diversity and sophistications of Hong Kong by featuring the multi-dimensional attractions and culture that Hong Kong has to offer. It is therefore wonderful to have our own tourism ambassador, Jackie Chan,
all about emotion. It is the interaction of the people of Hong Kong and overseas visitors against the backdrop of what Hong Kong is, the excitement, the flavour, the vigour, the vitality. But the biggest thing is this interaction. It's making sure that we see Hong Kong and the people as being welcoming, as being warm, as actually inviting in the visitors, creating magic moments and special times that really reflects the flavour of what the city is. Not just the physical flavour, but the emotional flavour.
Now, we all know that Hong Kong is a place where the Eastern culture,
I really enjoyed doing it. I'm encouraged. International media friends travel industry to help me promote Hong Kong. Welcome to Hong Kong.
From now, two mega events to look out for are Winterfest and International Chinese Night Parade. First ever also parade at night, so this is something very unique. We are sure that Hong Kong is back in business. So I think it's as a partner like all the travel trade here, and also want to share with you what's the future developments for the next few years.
Tourism Board will implement a series of marketing and promotion activities between now and the first quarter of 2004. HKTB will continue to lead Hong Kong trade delegations to source markets, invite overseas partners here on familiarization trips and for contract Hong Kong events, and maintain a major presence in all the leading international trade shows. An aggressive advertising campaign is planned to generate exhibition attendance, and we will launch a global marketing campaign to attract the corporate meeting sector. We also see great potential to expand the cruise market and will seek to enlarge our home port role. In the coming few months, we will continue to organize exciting mega events, an international musical fireworks competition, Hong Kong Winterfest, the International Chinese New Year Night Parade. Come March, Hong Kong, as a leading center for movie making in Asia, will open an avenue of stars along the prime Tsim Sha Tsui waterfront. This major new attraction will recognize some of Hong Kong's biggest movie stars. We will launch a series of integrated marketing activities, a global online promotion through the discoverhongkong.com website, giving away 6,000 air tickets as prizes sponsored by Cathay Pacific Airways and Dragon Air. The National Geographic Action Asia Challenge TV program, a 30-minute program featuring the adventure race, not only showcases the natural beauty of Hong Kong's rural areas, but also the cityscape attractions. This will be broadcast throughout the National Geographic network, feeding to 71 million households worldwide. Local and internationally recognized movie star Aaron Kwok is to appear in a TV drama series called Romancing Hong Kong, which will be syndicated for broadcast globally. The network includes over 100 TV stations in mainland China, as well as in Taiwan, Singapore, Malaysia and Thailand, covering 300 million households. The storyline will ensure that Hong Kong's varied attractions and sites will be shown off to best advantage. These are only a few examples of our upcoming programs. Under the Hong Kong Live It, Love It theme, we will continue to be creative in building a strong destination image to bring in more visitor arrivals. Through the close collaboration and support of all our partners, both here and internationally, we look forward to achieving new heights together.
That we have forthcoming in Hong Kong. The first one, some of the highlighted ones, there are a lot more. For the Tsim Sha Tsui area, we have several Avenue of Stars, Marine Police Headquarters. For some of you who have visited Hong Kong before, you're a bit familiar with that. This is the 150-year-old colonialism purposes. Lantau Island, that's where the Hong Kong International Airport is. And it's the airport itself, actually. Contracts have recently been signed to build a new exhibition center, providing some 66,000 square meters of space in the first phase, and these will further enhance Hong Kong's ability to attract major trade shows. And
now that you've had a chance to see the new TV commercial and hear about Hong Kong's future promotional plans, I hope you are. I'd like to thank you all for witnessing our new campaign launch. Thank you. As part of our showcase of the multi-dimensional experience that Hong Kong provides, we have specially flown in.
translate it and he can answer.
Say what? Oh, him. Okay. Say in Cantonese.